Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this special nice Hux Home Mirror with lighting option, as you can see. In this case, it's 70 to 50 centimeter in the dimensions. We have neutral white, if you like, cold white. It's a bathroom mirror, but it is also possible to dim it and set up the brightness of this mirror here, lighting system. 3300 Kelvin up to 6000 Kelvin. You can choose by the touch buttons. It's a bathroom mirror with daylight function. Ooh, and touch switches. It is dimmable. It comes with a special feature. An anti-fog heating system is built in. And on top there is a motion sensor too. That's, I think, is an awesome thing, because if we go nearby this mirror, it will switch automatically on. And if we leave the area, it will switch off automatically. 50 to 70 centimeter, or you can use 60 centimeter or 60 to 80 centimeters. You can choose what you like. We have here the motion sensor with switch, or it can be installed horizontally and vertically. This is a model 2. A clock and the temperature hands are possible too, and of course a circle. Innovative anti-fog design. This bathroom mirror here with an innovative anti-fog mirror heating system. This ensures a condensation-free and crystal clear view despite high humidity in the LED mirror. Manual deactivation for environmentally friendly use is on board too. No problem for it. You can choose with the 2 buttons on it. And with a dimmable light-emitted diode, lightning with motion sensor, the energy-saving operation of the LED illuminated bathroom mirror here by touch switches or infrared motion sensor. Thanks to the modern light-emitted diode technology, the light color can be chosen from 3300 Kelvin up to 6000. It can be confirmed briefly, or the light intensity controlled by hold of the light switch and is continuously dimmed. At the same time, the last light setting is automatically saved, so it comes with the same option, with the same adjustment like before to the next switch on possibility. And it's environmentally friendly and of course waterproof. This environment-friendly lead and copper-free silver mirror have been designed with a sturdy aluminum frame and waterproof backs. They have high safety standards with protection class IP44. This means it's against splashing water, safe, no props, so you can't use it in your bathroom. Of course, you can also use it where you like, in other rooms too. No, yeah, but you will need the power supply for it. And over your sink, for example, in a bathroom, there is the possibility of an electronically combination of it, of course. And really easy installation. You saw it here in my video. It's really easy. It is it comes with no visible tangled cables due to the simply mounting connection on existing wall power cable. Okay, of course the mains plugs are not included, so you take the wires which come out of your wall, then you attach it easily, and of course you have to drill 2 holes into the wall. After this you have to to attach this onto the wall. Job's done. As you can see, it's really easy. And turf testing and professional services. Turf tested, certification number is 64.84.21.01459 and 01. And of course, the 64.184.202732.01. Yeah, everyone knows that turf certificate, isn't it? Yes, of course. But what is Hux Home? Hux Home is a brand from Hamburg. This brand is there for over 10 years with professional sanitary knowledge, services, and fast delivery from Germany itself. This mirror here are of high quality and securely packed. And this right, it comes in a really good condition to me. And Hux Home is a professional devices, but for a good price. Really, this is strong in this brand, and it looks really cool on your wall in your bathroom, for example. Easy going, as you can see. This is the Hux Home Mirror with lighting option. In this case, it is the 70 to 80 to 50 centimeter version. It comes with a neutral white or warm white. You can choose cold white. It's a bathroom mirror, which is waterproof, and it comes with an adjustable LED thing from 3,300 up to 6,000 Kelvin. You have two buttons on the left side. This is the anti-fog heating machine. You can switch on or off. And on the right side, you have the LED button. It's touch sensor, which gives you the possibility to choose from the LED power, of course. And the sensor technology behind this is really awesome. Motion sensor means you go in front of your mirror, it will switch on automatically. If you leave the area, it will switch off automatically too. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.